A-10 Warthogs retirement causes controversy due to unmatched close air support capabilities. First introduced into service in 1977, the Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II, more colloquially called the A-10 Warthog, is a single-seat subsonic attack aircraft designed to provide close air support. After nearly 50 years of service, it is unsurprising that the United States Air Force is looking to retire the decades-old aircraft, citing its obsolete nature in a world of advanced air defenses. The aircraft, however, has built an extensive reputation for providing strong support to troops on the ground and remains the only aircraft ever exclusively designed for close air support. With accolades from Operation Desert Storm, the NATO intervention in the Balkans, the wars in Afghanistan, and against the Islamic State, many believe that the dynamic aircraft's time for retirement has come too soon. The future of the A-10 Warthog is a hotly contested topic in Washington and across the Air Force's dozens of operational A-10 squadrons. Those who argue against the twin-engine turbofan-powered aircraft's retirement argue that it lacks a true successor and that no plane can effectively perform all the missions the A-10 can. The Air Force begs to differ and is moving forward with plans to replace the A-10 Warthog with next-generation aircraft. Specifically, the organization has indicated that a combination of Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning IS and unmanned drones would fulfill the A-10's close air support role. The challenge with this plan is clear: neither of these has been designed specifically for ground support.